Hello everyone, I'm Peter. Today I'm going to unbox a new smartwatch. It is the IWO W46 Smartwatch. This smartwatch has longer standby time and it is the first IWO model that supports customized watch faces. Okay, now let's go. Now let's see the box. In this side there are some specifications. Then let's open the box. Firstly, we see a watch. Also, it is very similar as the IWO W26. Then it is a wireless charger and the menu. Now let's check how it charges. When charging, there will be a symbol in the screen so you can know the watch is charging. Now let's see the watch. In this side there is no microphone and also no speaker at this side. So this smartwatch does not support Bluetooth calls. And then in the back, there is no charging pins here, so this smartwatch is wireless charging. And there is also no button, strap button here. It is the same as the IWO W26. Now let's power on the smartwatch. There is also only one button here. And firstly we say language list. And from the left to the right, we can go to the main menu. We can see this menu is much smoother than the IWO W26. There is no lag. And from top to the bottom, and this watch also has two menu style, one smart style, one 9 apps style. And from the bottom to the top, we can see the notification. And from the right to the left, we can go to the sports mode. It has 10 sport mode. Then let's check those functions. Firstly, step, and then sleep monitor, and the brace. This is the new function. This function is not in the IWO W26. And then heart rate, blood pressure, and the temperature. And then blood oxygen, and the ECG. And then the Bluetooth music. This function needs to connect the watch with the phone. And then the exercise. This is the sport mode. And the weather. And the alarm clock. The stopwatch. And the countdown. And the notification. And find the watch. Also need to connect the watch with the phone. And the brightness. You can just move the screen to adjust the brightness. And the about. And the menu style. You can change here. And then the power off and reset function. And then the setting. Firstly, we see the language list. It has 5 watch faces in the watch, but it can add customized photo as watch faces. Then screen time. You can adjust the screen time by yourself. And also the turn waist wake. And the vibration intensity, you can also adjust the time. And then menu style and the system. Also, you can change the watch faces by long press the screen. Now let's check how to add customized watch faces in the IWO W26. App for the watch is Fit Cloud Pro. First, you need to connect the watch with the phone in the Fit Cloud Pro app, and then click the watch face, then choose. You can see there is take a photo. You can both take a photo or choose the photo from the album. And you can choose the picture in your album and adjust the size. Now it's okay. Then click done. Then you can change the style. The clock style, it has several styles, or you can choose the position just where you can see clearly. Then you can set as watch face. Now the watch face file is created. Then it will be uploaded to the watch. And now it's synchronizing the watch faces to the watch. And the watch is showing updating. And now it is success. Then you can see the customized watch face is in the watch. Okay, that's all our video today. If you like our video, appreciate you can subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.